Back in June of last year, the very day that Te Ahu Turanga, the new road, opened, the new road that was created in place of the old Manawatu Gorge road that closed due to too many slips back in 2017. We drove over the new road the day it opened, as well as riding our e-bikes along the walking/riding path next to the road. Nice. Track under construction. Oh, there's a track under there. Oh, lovely. Oh, I like that. One day. That day is today. The day of the opening. Yes, the road was finished, but everything else was incomplete. The car park was still a construction site, and the proposed walking track was pretty much non-existent. But roll on 10 months, and it's all looking way different. I'm going to go down the steps. Time for us to explore a new track. Okay, so where are we heading? We're going to...
around this area.
We're doing the 1s and 2s and 3s?
Yeah.
Oh, that yellow track, is it? Oh, nice. Okay, got it. We have found a new walk to do on this hot sunny day. We're clever. Never mind, we'll give it a go. Isn't it? Our walk is over here, through into this bush. That goes off to the Manawatu Gorge walk, the old walk. We're going to do this new walk. Oh, it's waiting for me. Oh, there, the Tawa loop. That's what that one's called. Off into the gorge, old Manawatu Gorge. So now we're doing the new walk. Up the steps we go. There's a new track leading into that Apiti. See, people are coming in and out of that. Because once you used to have to go this way. Walk along there. And then go up and into the hillside up there somewhere. So we'll have to do that again sometime. Have a look at the new entrance. Interesting. I think I did all these when this opened, when the Turanga, oh, I can't remember what it's called. Oh, there it is. Te Ahu a Turanga, when that opened, Manawatu Tararua Highway, I think I got all these then, so I don't need to look at them again. Here we are. We're going to go down the steps. We're going under the bridge this side. Oh, listen to that. No more traffic. Here's our track we are going to go on. So we're going to go left along here, aren't we? And come back, we think, because we didn't get that far, we think that's the return trip along that track there. We only went over to here because we were watching our son race at Manfield. We didn't have time. It's between races. These tin ones. Jackie eye. But yep, no eels. I came to see if there were eels. Nothing.
It's called the wetlands.
The whole area? No name?
No.
Okay. How many people do they want stopping and sitting? Anyway, it's got some wetland experience. Look at that. It is. You were right, Robert. The bridge crossing over these wetlands is called the Eco-viaduct, designed to minimise the impact to the environment during construction. When drilling boreholes to investigate the ground conditions pre-construction, the engineers were gobsmacked. Never before had they seen water pressure shoot 25 metres into the air, twice the height of the present bridge now. So wells were installed next to each pile to lower the water pressure of the aquifer, known as dewatering. Then once the 2.1 metre pile was filled with concrete, the pump was turned off and the wells were sealed. The bones that were discovered here may be 345,000 years old, a very significant find for New Zealand. Moa bones from 5 adults and a hatchling, an extinct adze bill and an extinct goose were discovered, and once examinations, scans and replicas were taken, the bones were returned back to the land where they were found. And what could you see?
Survey mark right in the water.
I need to have a look now. Survey mark. Oh yeah. Interesting. Wonder what that is. Well, that's the main bridge over the Manawatu River. The car park where we parked our car is over there. We're heading the track. I don't know. That looks like it's glassed off. Like at an airport or something. The massive, visible and separated supports house large bearings that allows movement of up to 1 metre without collapsing, being able to withstand a major earthquake in this high seismic activity region.
Working for a better day, trying to keep me warm.
Now what we found fascinating is it's got a bike ramp that you can walk up here and wheel your bikes up or down as well. And we know it worked because when we were here last, some bikes came up when we were coming back down.
We just count our turn. Fair don't come easy. I had to stand and fight for mine.
There we are. Table seats at the top of the stairs. Just came up there.
Slip there, so we can finally closed it, isn't it?
Is it? That big major slip there. That was the nail in the coffin. You reckon, Bobby? You could be right. Carry on with our walkies. So, do we know what that is?
Some power or something in there.
Oh, that's what that thing was blocked off, Robert. You're right, because there's sacred Maori ground here. That could be it. Oh, an ambo. What's happening? Mr. Ambulance. It's the Manawatu River. That's by the Ashhurst Domain Bridge.
Oh Lord, hear me now. Working, better day. Keep me warm.
School holidays. It shows. Not that many here on the track. What is that? Do we know what this is? Because I took a picture of it. I took
Survey pegs.
Are those survey pegs? Those black things with the green strip down it. I took a picture of it before. That one's got the green strip too.
One there, one down there, one up there.
There is. There's one down there. And there's one way up the hill. Oh, whereabouts? There? Goodness sake. Wonder what they are. It's not even in line, or are they? Oh, that one's up there. Geotechnics on these. Is that a solar panel thing on the top? I'm not sure. Anyway, better get back on track. hey, we didn't go any further when we were watching Blaine race. We only went as far as that. So this will all be new to us. In and around here. Nice and cool in the shade. I didn't know how much shade there'd be, that's why I brought my wide-brimmed hat, didn't I?
People talk about difference, but I just see the same.
Turn it off until we get to the top. Twisty trunk tree. Nice. Do you know it? It's not near one of the bike rides. Yeah, I know. We don't go under it. On those river rides we do.
Every heart need kindness, every soul need a name, and we're deep.
Ashhurst to Main.
Where, dear?
Yeah, straight ahead.
Oh, in the bushes here? Over here? Ashhurst domain, and so that must be
Ashhurst.
Ashhurst itself.
Township.
The township.
Children laughing somewhere, sounds of better days. Keep the light inside you.
Okay, where do we go? Left, right,
Up the hill.
go back up. Where does this lead? Down here? It's got a sign here, Bobby. Oh. So we don't really go to the Pohangana River. We're going back that way. Okay. Okay, so it is. We're turning right, going back up the hill where those people were. Okay. Those people have a dog.
So sing a song for mercy, sing it clear and kind.
But that goes to the Saddle Road, the old road before they brought in the new one. And that has to be the Pohangana River. Huh. Very good. Okay, we have to keep going up the hill, Robert. Don't we? Let's go. Whew. Robert's better uphill than me in the hot. I have to rest more.
This ain't good up, just trying to ease our mind.
That goes up to the viewpoint up on that new road. Pretty sure that track does. Yep, Te Ahu Turanga, 700 metre. So we're not doing that because it's too hot. I wanted to come in the winter. I knew I'd suffer in the heat. I really don't like hot. Struggling up there, truck. You'll get there, buddy, like I did. I got there. Downhill now for a way. Those ambulances coming back. I wonder what it was about.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same?
Nice and cool. Yay. Where are all the pigeons? It's the first bridge without a heap of pigeons. Fantail.
Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a lie that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment.
What's the reason for the punga logs? Usually they use more modern creations. Look at them all. Making it more natural. It's interesting, isn't it? That sort of thing. Not using the punga here. Huh. Lost their top. One of the workmen. That's funny. We go.
Take me back to the start, if only for a moment.
Ah, it was a cemetery, Bobby. Who's that thing there? Is that glass or mesh? I think it could just be mesh to keep the birds out. Maybe that's what that is. Huh. New toilets here. I've got a coffee shop. It's crazy. Everything. They look nice, but they are long drops. They're long drops, for goodness sake. There's no flush. Oh, that should be shut then. But pleasant. Hey, nice enough. Not too smelly either. It's alright. Quite impressed. Party lawn in progress. That's quite cute. Gorge Quarter Store. Smells of coffee. I don't like coffee. Stinks. What do you think?
Cool.
You enjoyed that walk?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me too, even though it's too hot for me, but we'll be back in the winter. Nice. Very enjoyable.
Bye.
Bye.